Musa, representing Niger East Senatorial District. If this chamber will recall, Niger East has been the epicenter of this banditry in the north central states. And we have been facing it since over a decade. Mr. President has done so much in the area of security, either from the procurement to allocating resources and also recruiting men that will go to the war fronts. We have seen every effort, not only during this administration, even the previous administration, have had course to bring the service chiefs very close to the seat of government. At a point, they are almost like operating from the presidential villa, so that the president will monitor what is going on. And it is not different from what the current president has been doing, to the extent that service chiefs were changed. We know internal security mostly is the work of the police, the civil defense, and other paramilitaries, and the secret police. I have cause to say that they are doing very well, but they are overwhelmed in a way. And what is causing this? The men that goes to the front, war fronts, are different from their officers that give the directive and control. So what distinguished Senator Oshomole was saying, I want to toy with that line now. If the U.S. Secretary of Defense can be called to be scrutinized publicly on the expenditures, spending, and operational mechanisms of their armed forces, especially in area of expenditure and budgeting, I think it is high time now that Mr. President, in his wisdom, called the service chiefs to account for the resources that this National Assembly have been budgeting for. Because if this is not done, the issue of overcoming this issue of security is going to be a child's play. Today, go and check the economy. Go and check how the economy plays. Today, if you look at the indices that even give the growth to our GDP and areas where these expenditures are going, you will see that real estate is playing a role in this country. Who are the owners of these real estates? How does the resources come? We are here in National Assembly every day saying we want to appeal to Mr. President to look at domestic debts. I think there's that responsibility upon us as legislators to do our oversight without fear or favor. We need to do it. We have been allocating resources. At a time, 3 of our budgets, defense was carrying the highest. And yet, every day, it is either we don't have the arms, or the money is not there to pay allowances for our servicemen. Where is the money going to? Not until we do this scrutiny, we'll not be able to get it right. Because security go hand in hand with also the expenditure. If we want security, we have to spend money. So are we spending money to get the security? That is the question that we need to ask ourselves. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. Before I go to the prayer, to the prayers,